We live in a world where the answer to a problem has become the biggest chaos you, as a creative or technical individual, would face. Every problem can be met by at least a dozen different tools, all with their own strengths, weaknesses, and redundancies that cause headaches and inconsistency in our lives. To solve a problem, the question is no longer to understand the problem, but basically to go to Google and search what tools do I need, what libraries do I need to solve this. And boom, you're met with 9 different libraries or tools that make your life even more chaotic. I think we should call this the simplicity paradox. We have built ourselves into a deeper chaos where the things we need to understand are so hidden and so far from the actual problem that we now need to solve the problems created by other problems, caused by solutions to problems that were supposed to solve our original problem. If that sounds confusing, don't worry, I'm also confused. Confused by this dilemma that we find ourselves in. This issue comes from a much deeper core problem, a problem that is all around us and in all of our pockets. And it's the main motivation behind a lot of solutions out there. That problem is money.
I like money.
What inspired you to build a second Krusty Krab right next door to the original?
Money!
The main goal is no longer to solve a problem once and for all in the best possible way. It's about what's the fastest way we can solve it right now to get the biggest financial gain. Ever wonder why some tools have such massive pain points but don't seem to get any better? They just become broader and more diverse, creating a whole new set of difficult paths to fall into. Well, it's because nothing gets rebuilt if it's marked as working. Don't get me wrong, there are some companies out there that actually does it decently, especially some of the new ones that have started to see the issue and are on the right track to solve it step by step. A great example would be Bun.js. This is also why I've spent the last couple of years working part-time on my own solution to make C++ more approachable and to cut out the noise from the development journey. I call it CodeFrame. No more writing build scripts, no more fighting compilers. With just a few commands, you get the same power that you do with a usual JavaScript project running with Node.js or better yet, Bun.js, but for C++ development. I will share more about this tool in some later videos. So stay tuned if you've ever wanted to just run a single command and have a C++ project generated for you, not needing to set up compilers, but rather just having one tool. On this short note, I'd like to welcome you to the Conscious Creator YouTube channel, where it's all about making more conscious decisions while building the tools and solutions of tomorrow. Join me on this journey as we build, learn, and explore the best possible solutions to every possible question, one day at a time. Until next time, code consciously.